Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. FBR to issue license of track and trace system. The Federal Board of Revenue (FBR) has decided to issue a license of the track and trace system to the successful bidder for electronic monitoring of tobacco, cement, sugar and fertilizer during January 2021. Top officials from FBR informed pro-Pakistani that the FBR licensing committee will grant license of track and trace system comprising members of the Inland Revenue officers and will be headed by a chief commissioner. However, if any of the bidders have approached the FBR grievance committee, their concern would be addressed before granting the license of track and trace. The project would be rolled out during June 2021. The FBR will not delay the process of granting the license of track and trace system beyond January 2021. Officials maintained FBR extends date to complete bidding process of track and trace system under FBR SRO 250. The license shall be responsible to operationalize the system within 6 months of issuance of the license. The license shall run and manage the system under proper warranty and shall ensure maintenance during the period of the license. The FBR has successfully held a pre-bidding conference for the grant of a 5-year license for an IT-based solution for electronic monitoring, track and trace system of specified good tobacco, cement, sugar and fertilizer. The license shall be responsible for safe and secure capture and real or near real-time transmission of the system related information from the production lines, factory premises and designated import sections to FBR control rooms. In addition, the license shall ensure that the system relevant monitoring data captured in the field by FBR or representatives of other duly authorized Pakistan government agencies are transmitted in the manner that will be transferable for the purpose of the license without incurring any additional cost to the goods manufacturers. In both cases, the license shall ensure that in case of network outages, the data shall be securely stored for later with FBR control rooms. Jazakallah.